Hi, scholars. If you're here, it means that Ms. Griffin has checked off your nonfiction context clues practice activity, and this is your exit ticket. We're using the same graphic organizer as the practice, and the words we're looking for are crustacean and molting. Of course, our first step is to read the passage. You can either listen to me read it, or you can pause and read it yourself and skip ahead, but I'm going to read it out loud. The lobster blues. One lobster has been getting a lot of attention lately. Although most lobsters are a brownish red, this one is showing off its unusual color, bright blue. Blue lobsters are very rare. Only about 1 in 3 million lobsters is blue. A fisherman caught the blue creature 2 years ago and donated it to a nature center in Bristol, Rhode Island. Lobsters are crustaceans. I'm going to highlight the word as you are going to do in your text because that's one of our words we're identifying. A crustacean is an animal with a hard shell. Lobsters, like all crustaceans, grow by molting. I'm going to highlight that word too because that's one of my words. When a lobster molts, it loses its old shell and grows a new one. The new shell is always a brighter color. Nature Center staff member Ann DeMonte told Weekly Reader. Lobsters keep growing throughout their lives. They can live to be 100 years old. Lobsters molt about 25 times in the first 5 to 7 years of life. After that, they molt just once a year. All right, now it's time for you to go back into the text to find the word crustaceans. You should highlight in your text the clues and come into the graphic organizer. Write what clues you found in this box. Then put the clues together, tell me what you think crustacean means in this box. You're going to do the same thing for molting. Go back into the text, highlight the clues that you find, write the clues into your graphic organizer in this box, put the clues together, and then tell me what you think molting means in this box. Can't wait to see your great work. Raise your hand if you have any questions, and certainly raise your hand when you think you are finished.